In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone 13 photos to external hard drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily load your photos off your iPhone storage into an external hard drive or SSD, and how you can also do the opposite. So, regardless of the action that you want to do, you will be able to follow the instructions in this video. So first, you will have to connect your iPhone to the external drive. This will primarily be done using a Lightning to USB adapter. So as you can see, this port plugs into your iPhone, and then you will be able to plug the USB cable originating from the hard drive or the SSD into one of these USB ports. So this is just a generic Lightning to USB adapter. There are plenty of options that you can buy. You just have to choose the one that you prefer. Some of them will only have one USB slot, others will have two. So look for Lightning to USB adapter on places like Amazon, and once you have it ready, all that you have to do is plug the other end of the cable into the external drive. Usually it is going to be this connection here, which is called micro B. But if you have a USB to USB external hard drive or external SSD instead, then just use that instead. Basically, you need to be able to establish physical connection between the hard drive or the SSD and the iPhone. And this is going to be the most general, common way to do it. So once you have the connection established, you are good to go. You can open the Files app, and in here, you will be able to browse through files available on the hard drive or the SSD. It is going to appear here. And what you can do is browse through files on your phone, and whenever you tap on any file on your phone, you will find the options to copy and move them to another location, including the SSD. So just tap and hold on any photo, video, document, whatever it is that you want to transfer, and once you tap and hold, you will find the copy and move options. Afterwards, choose to move them into the SSD or the external hard drive, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone 13 photos to external hard drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.